key takeaways here for me are things of, the fact that they've really built their devices from the ground up with this new age. Sometimes it's funny, we were joking with Chris Brogan yesterday, and he said, sometimes it's easier to start over than to fix what you've already got. And I think the fact that they've really built this from the ground up with video in mind, and really the data store with video in mind, because that's such a unique and different thing. We're talking about files that are 8 and 10 and 12 gigabytes, for a 1 hour segment, and that's, only going to grow, and our needs are only going to grow. So I think that's huge. And I think the scalability of the product from really that, as we mentioned, from the one user all the way up to the hundreds of users, as well as, quite honestly, the interoperability and the openness of the product. I mean, that's huge. I'm a huge advocate for that. Don't lock yourself into a certain technology. Open is huge. Open doesn't always mean free. It just means that you have flexibility. It's interchangeable. You can move in and out of a product. That's very, very huge. And I think that's something that we all have to look at as IT managers as we move forward in this day and age. We've got to think of open as really an important buying process.
Cool. I love it. And for me, the personal thing that I absolutely love, it's finally a storage company that basically kept me and kept the Pulse Store and kept other production companies in mind. That's one of the things that I really, really like as far as media is concerned. All right. Good show, Nick. I loved it.
Loved it.
I dig it, for sure. All right, good stuff. That'll do it for us today on Sync Up. He's Nick Saber. For Alex Grossman, for Nick, I'm Tyler Pyburn. This has been Sync Up on the Pulse Network. See you guys next week. Have a good one.